endeavor. Now, if you continue this journey, a time will come when you move to the level called what? Unconscious what? Competence. You become so competent that you are no longer conscious of it. How many of us here are Catholics? Catholics? Yes.
I was.
Okay. Even if you are not Catholic, you should know that among the Catholics, the Pope, who is the head of the Catholic Church, is regarded as infallible.
Yes.
We don't have a board here. Is regarded as infallible.
Yes.
What does infallible mean?
Without mistake.
Incapable of making mistakes.
You need.
Yes, if we have a board, a flip chart, please. Thank you. Incapable of making mistakes. Is it because he's not a human being? No, he is human. But among the Catholics, they believe that once the Pope is seated on that throne of St. Peter and pontificating on Catholic doctrine, whatever he says is doctrine. Is incapable of making mistakes. At that level, the Pope is at the level of what? Unconscious competence. It's like, let's take the King Charles III, the most influential ruler on earth today. King of England, the British Isles, the United Kingdom, and 110 principalities. Head of state of the Commonwealth of Canada, the Commonwealth of Australia, the Commonwealth of New Zealand, and all the Caribbean nations, and more than 100 other principalities.